alina byakoze kyova olaba twabadde Ekisozi jjo omukulembeze bw'aba tasobola kweka bya bugagga bye kitegezo yagala ensi ye kuba bakyagulanyi tebabalaga be bakoze olowooza Nambooze mwavu olowooza Lukwago mwavu Jose Mujunganda nalabya amaka gazimbye mu gavumenti embi Ente mujagala okukyusa ne neewuunya ne muzeeyi yatutte Ekisozi ne tulaba Enteze n'abako byatugamba nga abazzukulu nasanyuse namwe abatamwagala mwabiwuliriza omanyi okuwulira kuzibu ne bw'oba oyagala oba toyagala amaaso gala abaira gawuliriza nze President Museveni gwendika era njagala mbalagi ku Musevenomics ebikoleddwa ebirala tosa kulunda ntembo waliwo entalo nedda namwe opposition mutulage ebyammwe mukoze because surely simuli baavu mwine mukoledde mu government nolo kwagala okuwudisa abantu n'okubalaga nti obwavu bwabakwata kyemuva mwefuula abanaku njagala tutambula olugendo luno ffenna nze ndi wa TCCU mulabe muzeeyi byakoledde eggwanga lino.
As the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Anita Amang heavily promotes Operation Wealth Creation (OWC) and similar agricultural initiatives to transform subsistence farming into commercial production, urging Ugandans to adopt these methods for economic empowerment. She advocates for, and practices, farming to boost household incomes, even distributing livestock to women in her constituency. She has a personal farm and has used her own resources to support agricultural development in her constituency, such as providing cows to women. She actively sensitizes communities on NRM government wealth creation initiatives, including OWC, to help achieve upper middle income status. She cites President Museveni's farm in Ekisozi as inspiration for her own farming endeavors. Honorable Anita Annette Amang is the current Speaker of the 11th Parliament of Uganda, a position she has held since March 2022. She concurrently serves as the elected Member of Parliament, MP, for the Bukidia District Women constituency. Her current roles and political standing make a central figure in Ugandan politics with several key leadership roles. Being the Speaker of Parliament makes her the official head of the legislative branch, presiding over sittings and managing the Parliament of Uganda. Also serving as the NRM Vice Chairperson, female, a position she was elected to in August 2025, high-ranking in the ruling National Resistance Movement (NRM) party, succeeding Rebecca Kadaga. She has been declared unopposed for her Bukidia District Woman MP seat in the upcoming 2026 elections. She has officially announced her intention to seek another term as Speaker for the 12th Parliament. She worked at Centenary Bank from 1998 to 2006, rising to the position of branch manager. She also served as a lecturer in accounting at Makerere University Business School and Kampala International University. Originally a member of the Opposition Forum for Democratic Change, FDC, she later joined the NRM in 2020. She served as Deputy Speaker from 2021 until her election as Speaker following the death of Jacob Ulanaya. She is married to Moses Magogo Hasim, the President of the Federation of Uganda Football Associations, FUFA, and a fellow MP. She gained international attention for her strong support of the 2023 Anti-Homosexuality Act. Despite her prominent position, Anita Amang has faced significant international pressure. Stay informed by being part of Operation Wealth Creation programs. Don't forget to invite your peers to benefit from these government-created opportunities. Operation Wealth Creation, OWC.